Carrot is orange, long and sweet. Crunch it up, it's fun to eat. Potato is round and soft inside. Mash it up or bake and slide. Tomato is red and full of juice. Slice it up, let's cook and use. Peas are tiny, green and round. Pop them up without a sound. Cabbage is leafy, big and green. Hide and peek, it makes a scene. Cauliflower is white like snow, with curly tops that love to grow. Broccoli stands like a tree, full of vitamins for you and me. Spinach leaves are soft and small. Eat them up to grow so tall. Onion makes your eyes go boo, but it tastes so yummy too. Garlic is tiny, strong and white. It gives our food a tasty bite. Pumpkin is big and round and bright, orange and glowing like a light. Beetroot is purple, deep and bold. It makes your soup a pretty gold. Radish is red with a crunchy bite. Try it raw or cooked just right. Corn is yellow and fun to munch. Pop it or eat it in your lunch. Cucumber is cool and green. Slice it up for a salad scene. Ladyfinger okra is slim and long. In a curry, it sings a song. Chili is spicy, red or green. Add just a bit, it's hardly seen. Mushroom grows in shady spots, round and white like polka dots.